In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo, ensuring a smooth and organized process. First, let's quickly go over what you'll need to have ready before getting started. Make sure you have a CSV file containing all the contacts you wish to import. At a minimum, this file should include emails, and optionally, you can add first names, last names, and any other details you find necessary, such as the city or the date they became a customer. It's also important you have consent from these individuals to send them emails or SMS messages, if that's applicable. Additionally, if you've set up any automated workflows that are triggered by adding new contacts to your lists, you might want to pause these flows temporarily. This way, you can prevent contacts from inadvertently triggering emails or messages during the import process. Let's dive into the process of importing a CSV file into a Klaviyo list. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure your CSV file is properly prepared. The first column in your file should be reserved for their email addresses or phone numbers if you're importing SMS contacts. After this, you can include additional columns like first and last names, along with any custom fields you might need, such as city or customer since. If your CSV includes consent information, such as opt-in status or timestamps, those columns should be included as well. Now, log into your Klaviyo account and navigate to the Audience section, followed by the Lists and Segments tab. From here, select the existing list you'd like to import your contacts into, or, if you prefer, create a new list by clicking on the Create List option. Once you're on the list's main page, find and click on Manage List, where you'll see the Import Contacts option. Select this to begin the upload process. When prompted, select Upload CSV and choose the file you previously prepared. Klaviyo will guide you through a mapping process, where you'll match each column from your CSV to a corresponding property within Klaviyo. If you encounter any properties that don't yet exist in your Klaviyo account, don't worry. You'll be able to create new properties on the spot during this step. Next, handle the consent information. If your CSV file contains consent data, be sure to map these appropriately. If it does not, Klaviyo will ask you whether you'd like to treat all imported contacts as having provided consent or not. With everything mapped and ready, go ahead and initiate the import process. Depending on the size of your file, the import may take anywhere from a few seconds to several hours. Once the import is complete, take a moment to review the newly created profiles to ensure names, custom properties, and consent statuses all appear correctly. If any workflows were previously halted, like welcome emails, you can now safely re-enable these flows, confident that your contacts have been accurately imported and are ready to receive communications.